Hi everyone, Renee here with the DIY Day, and today I'm going to share with you how to make your Happy Mail a bit more happier. For this tutorial, you will need white envelopes, distress inks, blending tools, this one is by Ranger, washi tape, and a ruler and pencil. Let's get started. Here's what I'm going to do first. I'm going to measure my envelope 3/8 of an inch here, 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 as well as here. Now that the flap and body of the envelope have a 3/8 inch border around, we're going to use this line as a guide for the washi tape. What you're going to do now is use the edge of the washi tape and line it up against the border. And the reason for the washi tape is we're going to use it as a form of blocking, so when we apply the distress ink won't go over onto this portion of the envelope and it will stay within this border. With the washi tape protecting the main body of the envelope, let's add color to the borders. The colors I'm applying to the envelope are Lucky Clover, Mermaid Lagoon, Wilted Violet, Shaded Lilac, Picked Raspberry, Spun Sugar, Carved Pumpkin, and Mustard Seed. For the flap of the envelope, I'm going to start with Lucky Clover right here, and then I'm going to end it with Mustard Seed here. So I do need to break up the envelope into 8 portions. Rather than measure it, I'm just going to eyeball it. As you get to the end of using your green, leave a portion of it slightly lighter than the rest of it, so when you blend the next color, there's a smooth transition between the two colors. Now we're going to add Mermaid Lagoon, and we're going to blend it with the green. So you're going to add the blue to the green and blend them together. So you can see that gradient, it just looks like it blends right into the blue. And now I'm going to add the purple using the same technique. And I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of the colors. I'm going to speed up this portion just because I think you probably have the hang of it now. Remove the washi tape. And if there's any visible pencil markings, go ahead and grab an eraser and gently erase it. And here's how the flap of the envelope looks. Now I'm going to do the same exact technique as I did on the flap on the back side of the envelope. One other thing I should mention is when I close my envelope, I want the colors to blend in all together. So I'm going to start here with green and I'm going to end here with yellow. So here's my completed envelope. Let me take off the washi tape. Again, erase any portion where the pencil markings might be visible. And here's the completed envelope. Thank you so so much for following along on my Happy Mail tutorial. If you've liked what you've seen, please like and subscribe below. And for more creative ideas, please visit my blog at thediyday.com. Thank you.